Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to book flight tickets in Philippine Airlines.
So you're planning to go on a trip solo, with friends, or with family. You're on a budget, but you still want to go to your destination with one of the best airlines in the Philippines. Philippine Airlines also offers some of the most affordable flights. So let's try to explore their website and choose the best deals. First, you can just search for PAL on Google, then click on the first result. That is their official website. So here you can choose what kind of ticket you're planning to book. Is it one way or round trip? So let me just choose round trip. Then just select how many are you in your company. How many adults, children? So children's age range is from 2 to 11 years old. For infants, 16 days to 23 months old. Then, if you're traveling with students, just put how many they are here. Students get less 20% from the base fare except for Economy Super Saver or Economy Saver. Also, this discount is not applicable to international and promotional fares. Then, just click Done. If we scroll down here, we can also choose from some of their popular domestic flights. As you may have noticed, these are super cheap compared to other flights. That is because the departure date here is in September, which is 7 months from now. So that is one tip to get the cheapest flights. Plan your trip and book your tickets ahead of time. So let's say we want to go on a trip earlier. So let's just go back here. Just fill in your origin, then your destination. Then select your departure date. So when do you want to leave? And since we selected a round trip ticket earlier, we also have to select our return date. Just click Done when you're finished. Then click on Search. So as you can see, this is sorted by cheapest. So these are arranged from cheapest to the priciest. We can also see how many seats are still available. So since I'm only one, I'm just going to choose the most affordable one. So here we can choose from Economy Super Saver, Economy Saver, Value, and Flex. And as you can see, it shows the inclusions for each one. So you just have to choose one. Let's just go for the cheapest, of course. Once done, just click on Confirm and Continue. Then check the difference between these two and decide whether you want to upgrade it or not. In my case, I will not upgrade. Now we'll just have to select a flight for our return. It's almost the same thing as choosing a departure flight. You can change dates if you want. Each date has different rate. So just check which one suits you and your budget best. Once done, just click on Confirm and Continue. Then decide if you want to upgrade or not. We now have our flight details. Next, let's click on Fill Passenger Details. Fill in your name, your gender, your birthday. You can also enroll for Mabuhay Miles here. So Mabuhay Miles is Philippine Airlines loyalty program offering rewards through miles earned from flights with the airline and transactions with partner merchants. These miles can be used by both you and a beneficiary for booking international and domestic trips as well as flight upgrades. So if you're planning to fly with PAL frequently, it's a benefit to enroll in this program. Then just fill in your contact information. Tick this box, then click on Confirm. Now we just have to select our seat. So we have our seat map legend here. So the white boxes is free of charge. The seats with stars is chargeable. If it's marked with green, it means you have selected your seat. Then the gray ones are unavailable. So as you can see, most of the front seats and aisle seats are chargeable and window seats are free of charge. I personally like a window seat, so I'll just choose a window seat one. Then click Select Seat. Once you have chosen, just click on Next Flight. If your ticket is one way, you just have to click on Confirm here, but since my ticket is round trip, let me just choose a seat for my return flight as well. Okay, so it's just the same as earlier, so let me just choose real quick. Let's now click on Confirm. So here you can add services. You can select the seat that you want, add meal, more baggage allowance, wheelchair services. So just check here what other services you may need. You can just select them here. In my case, I won't add any services, so let me just go ahead and click on Checkout. You can also add an insurance here. It will charge you 644 pesos. I personally think it's better to have an insurance like this in reality, but since this is just a tutorial, I'll just click no. Now you can choose from different payment options. How would you like to pay? You can pay through your credit card, your mobile wallet, or in cash through payment centers. PAL can also check you in automatically, so you'll just have to wait for your mobile boarding pass so that you don't have to check in yourself. Then check the terms and conditions. Then click on Pay Now once done. Once you have settled your payment, you just have to wait for PAL's email. You can print your ticket out or you can just use your e-ticket. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy your next trip.